Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Food Gossips. In this video, I'm going to make a very tasty and healthy protein shake. This protein shake is very healthy because it doesn't include any refined sugar. Rather, we will use natural fruits to make it sweet healthy. This drink is very beneficial especially for the gymmers and fitness freaks. So have this drink regularly for 15 days and I guarantee you guys कि आपको अपने अंदर एक अलग लेवल की एनर्जी फील होगी. So let's just start the video, but before that I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel Food Gossips. So to make our protein shake we need a blending machine and उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे आइस. जितना आपको अपना शेक ठंडा पसंद है उतनी आप आइस ऐड कर लें. Then we will add 2 bananas, 4 walnuts यानी अखरोट, 6 cashew nuts यानी काजू, 7 almonds यानी बादाम and peanuts. Then we will add 4 seeds, 1 tablespoon, 3 dates यानी खजूर and 1 tablespoon of raisins यानी मेवा. Next we will add 1 cup of milk. अब हम इसको अच्छी तरह से blend कर लेंगे for almost 1 minute. And that's it. Our protein shake is completely ready. To make it look more attractive, we will garnish it with some crushed almonds, walnuts, and a date. Thank you for watching my video.